How to find your top tracks on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can find your top tracks on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to find your top tracks on Spotify, remember that we are not going to be doing this from our Spotify app. So instead what we will do is we will simply open up our browser and go to this website known as statsforspotify.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below, so if you think that's convenient for you, you can go ahead and check that out. And it is a completely secure website. You don't have to worry about your data getting stolen or something like that. Once you're on the website, just log into one of your Spotify accounts and then automatically you'll see these three options over here, and you can see top tracks, top artists and top genres. So you can also find your top artists aside from the tracks, and if you want to find a track, since we're learning that in the video, we will just tap the top tracks option that you can find here. And as we do that, you can see these are the top tracks that I have listened to in the last 4 weeks, in the last 6 months, these are the ones, and in all time these are the ones that you would be able to find it. This way you can find your top tracks on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.